Hello guys, today's video we are talking about Loch Ness monster. Know about all details and facts. So without getting late, let's get started the video. Loch Ness monster is named by a Loch Ness river. When the folklore found that in Scotland, a tourist couple can walking then to visit the Scotland. And in the when they crossing river, he found a monster that awaking from lake, and that named by Loch Ness monster. Loch Ness monster looking like a Pliosaurus dinosaur, a dragon mixture, but he was more powerful then because he has lot of powers and abilities like climate adaptation and previous nature, super strength, camouflage, hydrokinesis, weather manipulation, elemental manipulation, reality manipulation, time control, space-time bend, and etc. And he can shape their own body size and power. And he can walk on land, creating chaos. He was appeared in 1670, and that time he will never appear then. So that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.